Okay guys, so once you've clicked in, this is the dashboard. It shows you Monetastic. On your left, you see the tab on your left, several tabs, and on your right screen there's your avatar, the profile, then your username, then what you have on is the settings and where you can log out. Now, what I'm going to show you today is how you're going to earn using the app, using the website. So on this video, I'm going to show you the website that will easily make you $100, and it will be sent directly to your PayPal account. The name of the website is Monetastic. Let's browse the website briefly. Um, Now, on overview, the first tab is the overview tab. How does it work? You can earn from 50 to 200 a day using Monetastic. 50 to 200 a day on Monetastic. Now, there are several tabs. You can post this on social media, or the first tab you can do. So you can check out this tab. There's a tab, there's a tutorial tab, and there's a complete service tab. Now, the complete service tab, you can find when you click on the service tab, you can find all types of service and the amount that you're going to earn when you complete one service. And once complete, will be added in $7 will be added in your main account. Now, these are just service. There's a tutorial on how to take part in the service and how you're going to earn. Now, the other app is to download apps. Now, you can download apps. There's a video tutorial also showing you how to download apps. You can download apps on your desktop. If you're using your phone, there are also apps that you can use download on your phone, and each download you can earn up to $5. $5 just downloading an app on your phone. Now, you can post on social media and also earn huge rewards, and posting on your social media account you can earn up to $2 per social post. Now, once you've completed once you download the apps, you can get the you can get the dollar the you can your earnings are sent directly to your account. Now, invite the next tab is the invite friends tab. No, the invite friends tab, you get $5 bonus when someone registers through your link to get up to 1% of all that their earnings for life. So you can share it on Facebook, on your social account, Twitter, on your Pinterest, on your or via mail. Now, there's another tab just below the invite friends tab. There's some challenges. These are new. There's a daily challenge and the weekly challenge. The daily challenge, there's some instructions. You can download apps. The apps complete one app just to earn $5. Now, more about Monetastic, this website. Once you can claim prizes, claiming rewards for every dollar you can earn, you'll be rewarded 1 point. For every dollar you earn 1 point. So let's check this out. You can get some you can you can actually get some awards, rewards, like a speaker system, like the switch, and many more. Now, on the last tab is actually the payments tab. The payments tab where you can check out your total earnings. Like here, this is the total amount I've earned since I started working. Um, since I started working. Now, how to do you withdraw? To withdraw, there's a tab called the Request Payout tab. This Request Payout tab, once you click it and you've reached your payout, like Like mine, it shows where I'm almost. This is a payout. Now, once you click on payout, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings. And how would you withdraw your earnings? There are various payment methods to withdraw your earnings, and you can withdraw via PayPal, via Cash App, and many more. So thanks guys for checking out my video. Until next time, we do another review. Goodbye.